Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys and dolls. Today I have an unboxing. Today I went to an event at Hermes. I have two bags. This is actually a gift bag. This is a gift bag. Sorry guys, this is a gift bag right here. And yeah, so let's get into this video because I don't want to take too long. So today was a Hermes event. This is like my third event I've been to since I've started shopping with Hermes. It seems as if it's like every month. So I've been going consistently every month to their events. And this is the first time, well, I usually get samples and stuff like that. This is really, they really tied a knot in this bad way. But yeah, so they serve champagne and they serve hors d'oeuvres, music, people interacting. It's good vibes, good vibes. So I was excited. I just spent like an hour. It was a 3-hour event, and one of my friends, she couldn't make it, so I was like, I'm not gonna do any more than an hour. So now that I got it open, so, oh, I got a soap. And I have a soap set. So if you watch my previous videos, I have a soap set. And I got lemon. It smelled like lemon. I could smell it as soon as I pull it out the bag. So that was the gift. I got this here. And I guess they stamped it right here by the SKU to let you know that it was a gift. Because they do sell it in stores. So thank you, Hermes in Manhasset, New York. Okay, so I have this bag here. And I have the soap. So in my previous video, I have this soap as well. And this is the price. I'll take the ribbon off and I'll unbox it right now. So I started using my soap. I love it, love it. This is a good soap. You feel so clean and it lasts a long time. I just wanted to have a backup. So by the time it's finished, I could have this. And I love the box. Check the box out, guys. And of course, this is the soap. And I'm going to list everything in my description box below. Then this is the brand right here. So if you're interested, it's reasonable. If you're in this container is really nice. You can, you know, if you want a home decor, you want to put Hermes decor. I don't see why not. It's 32 bucks. So yep, go get yourself some, guys and dolls. Really smells so good. Really smell good. And here's my receipts. It's my receipts right here. And so I shop at the boutique. That's where I go. Stay loyal to my essay. And she's so sweet. She was like, thank you for always supporting us. I'm like, you're welcome. So I have this big box here. So some of you might know what it is. I snatched the last one. And it's perfume. So let's unbox this. Guys. Wrapping is so beautiful, right? And it has its own little, look at the box. It's so cool, right? Mervilles. I hope I pronounced it right. And this is it. So I think this bottle here is 3.38 ounce or something like that, I believe. This is a big bottle. It's gonna last me a while because I have the other perfume from Hermes, and I'm like, I brought one like 2 weeks ago, and I used a quarter of it, so I have to give it a break and start using this. Um, is this Perfume? Because I wasn't sure, but I was excited to see um, the set. I was like, oh, this is so cute. So I'm not sure. I'm gonna find out. I'm not even sure. It doesn't say perfume or anything. No, it's not perfume. It's the toilettes. All right, guys. And then this is the lotion. So that's good to have in handy. And I always buy perfume. I never buy toilet. I really like perfume. I'm not really a toilet fan, but you know what? This was the last one, and I'm like, I'm gonna get this. I like the set theme going on. This is my first set from Hermes. And this is the shower gel. So I was like, why not? Because I know after I buy like every single perfume from Hermes, I'm just going to be gravitating towards a toilet just to have it in my collection and put it on my dresser. So yeah, this is it. This is my little, this is what I purchased today at my Hermes soiree. Pronunciation is not great. I'm working on it. So yeah, this is it. This is what I purchased, my Hermes, nothing else. Oh, and I snatched some chocolate. I snatched some chocolat. This is chocolate, guys. Chocolat. Okay, so from Hermes. It tastes so good. I wish I can share. But yeah, see that? And it's on. Really good. So I have one. I'm sure I had another one. I guess it must have fell out. But yeah, guys, like and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe, like, share. Okay, please, guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching, dolls and guys. Bye.